about machine learning for manufacturing. Whenever I talk to manufacturers about machine learning, the first question tends to be whether they can get the same results with statistical process control, or SPC. Typically, manufacturers use SPC for processes with key features that need to fall within a certain threshold. The idea is to capture any statistical variation in your process by establishing a reasonable sampling quantity and frequency based on your capability or process study. This allows operators to react to issues if their X-bar and R chart begin to show evidence of statistical deviation. But even if your SPC charts are showing good statistical control and in-process data shows good capability, pumps, torque converters, transmissions, and other components still get an end-of-line test. The point of using machine learning in manufacturing is not to replace SPC, but rather to supplement it. Machine learning can fill in the gaps and help you answer questions like, why are my assemblies failing end-of-line testing if all the subcomponents are technically within specification? We use machine learning to find relationships between signals, and there are a lot of signals in automotive manufacturing. A single transmission can output over 500,000 time series data points during testing. The value of machine learning then is in finding the relationships between all of these different signals and comparing them to the signals from all the other transmissions to find abnormalities. We aren't looking at the trends of one signal individually to see if it's, say, trending towards the control limit, but rather we're leveraging machine learning to find connections between the time series of the signals themselves and, more importantly, to each other. This is simply not something SPC can do. SPC can only show whether a signal is trending towards the upper or lower control limit, but this doesn't necessarily mean that your unit is defective. Even if your unit happens to be defective, SPC can't tell you what's causing the defect. Machine learning looks at all of the signals impacting a component and builds connections that provide you with actionable insights. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more information on machine learning and SPC, check out the links in the description.